Welcome back to SwiftHome Finds. Forget the cheap plastic junk that breaks after one use. We've analyzed the toughest testing data from Wirecutter and America's Test Kitchen to reveal 15 brilliant gadgets that genuinely save you time and money. This video is completely independent and sponsor-free, and you can grab the best current deals through the links in the description below. But do not skip the end of this video. Our final two picks are absolute breakfast game changers you'll wish you bought years ago. Let's count them down. Number 15, Dash Smart Store Popcorn Maker. Kicking off our countdown at number 15, we are banning microwave popcorn bags from your house. They are full of artificial chemicals and always leave half the bag unpopped or burnt. This Dash electric popcorn maker gives you movie theater quality popcorn in minutes. The built-in stirring rod guarantees every single kernel pops. The best part? The clear cover flips over to become your serving bowl, meaning there is zero extra cleanup. When you're done, the base nests inside the bowl for incredibly compact storage. At number 14, it is time to throw away those melted, stained plastic spatulas that are ruining your expensive nonstick pans. This 33-piece set is the ultimate kitchen refresh. These utensils feature sturdy stainless steel handles wrapped in high-grade, heat-resistant silicone. They are firm enough to flip heavy burgers, but soft enough that they will never scratch your Teflon or ceramic cookware. Plus, having a completely matching set instantly makes your kitchen look organized and highly professional. Number 13 is a tiny gadget that saves you a massive amount of money. Throwing away stale chips, cereal, or snacks because a flimsy plastic clip failed is incredibly frustrating. This handheld mini bag sealer uses a heated microstrip to completely reseal any plastic or foil bag in about 3 seconds. You just slide it across the top and it creates an airtight, factory-quality seal. It keeps your pantry food fresh for weeks longer and is completely portable. Number 12, we have a gadget that Wirecutter consistently praises for safety and accessibility. If you have arthritis, weak wrists, or just hate wrestling with traditional can openers, this is for you. The auto opener does all the work hands-free. You place it on the can, press one button, and it drives itself around 360 degrees. Most importantly, it cuts under the rim, leaving a completely smooth, safe edge, so you will never cut your fingers on a sharp lid again. Number 11 is the Victoria Cast Iron Tortilla Press. Coming in at number 11 is the secret to authentic, restaurant-quality Mexican food at home. Store-bought tortillas are dry and full of preservatives. With the Victoria Cast Iron Tortilla Press, making fresh tortillas, empanadas, or arepas is completely effortless. Because it's made of heavy-duty cast iron, the weight of the plates does all the pressing for you. You don't need to use a rolling pin or exert heavy pressure. It gives you perfectly round, even dough every single time. Number 10 is the ultimate portable kitchen. Whether you are cooking in a dorm room, an RV, or just need an extra burner for Thanksgiving dinner, the Bella electric skillet is a lifesaver. Instead of standing over a hot stove, you can plug this in anywhere. It features a premium non-stick coating and a precise temperature dial that ranges from a gentle keep warm setting to a high heat sear. It's perfect for making pancakes, stir-fries, or keeping party dips hot. Number 9 is Self-Adhesive Paper Towel Holder. At number 9, we are reclaiming your counter space. Standing paper towel holders are constantly getting knocked over and taking up valuable room on your kitchen island. This sleek, stainless steel paper towel holder mounts directly under your cabinet or on the wall. The brilliant part? You don't need a drill. It comes with an ultra-strong adhesive pad that locks it in place in seconds. It looks modern, dispenses smoothly, and instantly declutters your workspace. Number 8 is SENSARTE Non-Stick Grill Pan. Number 8 brings the summer barbecue indoors all year round. You don't need to fire up a massive outdoor grill just to cook 2 steaks or some asparagus. The SENSARTE Grill Pan features deep ridges that give you those beautiful professional grill marks while allowing excess fat to drain away from your food. It's coated with a heavy-duty Swiss non-stick surface, meaning sticky barbecue sauce and cheese wipe right off with a paper towel. Number 7. Meter Plus Smart Wireless Thermometer. At number 7 is a viral tech gadget that will change how you cook meat forever. Serious Eats warns that cutting open a steak to check if it's done releases all the juices, ruining the meat. The Meter Plus is a completely wireless Bluetooth meat thermometer. You insert it into your chicken, pork, or steak and put it right in the oven or grill. The app on your phone tracks the internal temperature perfectly and alerts you the exact second your food is cooked to perfection. No more guessing. Number 6. CRIMPiT Large Tortilla Sealer. Number 6 is one of the most viral gadgets on TikTok right now. If you love making wraps or burritos, you know the struggle of the fillings falling out the bottom while you eat. The CRIMPiT solves this instantly. You load your tortilla with cheese, meat, and veggies, fold it, and press it into this device. It securely seals the edges of the wrap. You can then pop it straight into your toaster or air fryer for a crispy, mess-free, Hot Pocket-style meal. Number 5. Ninja Air Fryer. Coming in at number 5 is the king of the kitchen countertop. America's Test Kitchen consistently rates Ninja air fryers for their superior airflow and rapid crisping technology. If you are still waiting 20 minutes for your traditional oven to preheat just to make frozen fries or chicken wings, you are wasting time. This Ninja air fryer requires zero preheating, uses a fraction of the oil of deep frying, and delivers a flawless, crispy crunch in record time. It's a true kitchen workhorse. Number 4. Kamenstein 20-jar revolving spice rack. At number 4, we're fixing your chaotic spice cabinet. Digging through a dark cupboard trying to find the garlic powder is frustrating. This beautiful stainless steel revolving rack puts 20 essential spices right at your fingertips. It spins incredibly smoothly and looks incredibly aesthetic on your counter. But here is the real reason it made the list. Kamenstein offers 5 years of free spice refills for this rack. It is an unbelievable value that pays for itself. Number 3. Nylon Pan Scrapers. Getting into our top 3. It might not be the most high-tech gadget, but it is an absolute necessity. Scrubbing baked-on lasagna or burnt eggs destroys your sponges and ruins your nails. These rigid plastic pan scrapers are specifically designed to chip away hard, stuck-on food without scratching your expensive cast iron or Teflon pans. They cost almost nothing, but they cut your dishwashing time in half. Number 2. 4-cup Nonstick Granite Omelette Skillet. Now for the final 2 game changers we promised at the start. At number 2, if you want to meal prep breakfast sandwiches like a pro, you need the 4-cup Granite skillet. Instead of eggs running all over a flat pan and mixing into a massive mess, this brilliant skillet features 4 distinct, perfectly round compartments. You can cook eggs, sausage patties, and pancakes all in the exact same pan at the exact same time, without them ever touching. It creates the ultimate perfectly stacked McMuffin-style breakfast at home. The Granite non-stick coating ensures everything slides right out. And taking the absolute number 1 spot, the heavy-duty stainless steel slicer. Let's be real. Trying to slice a hard-boiled egg with a kitchen knife results in a smashed, crumbly mess that ruins the presentation of your salads. This heavy-duty tool fixes that instantly. Place your egg, press down, and the stainless steel cutting wires create perfectly uniform, flawless slices in 1 second. But don't stop at eggs. This tool is phenomenal for rapidly slicing strawberries for desserts, kiwis, or even soft cheeses. It's a satisfying, lightning-fast prep tool that makes your home cooking look like it was done by a professional chef. I've hunted down the exact models and the best current deals for every single item on this list, and I've linked them all in the description below. Using those links costs you nothing extra, but it helps keep this channel 100% independent. If you found your new favorite kitchen tool today, hit that subscribe button and leave a thumbs up. This is SwiftHome Finds. Smart research, swift decisions, your home simplified. See you in the next one.